Finally, finally, the first cold front has hit for this year. The first real cold front, anyway. It poured rain last night. Whenever it did come in, like probably 2¼ inches, and now it's like 44 degrees, 23-mile-an-hour north wind. So it's cold. It's pretty much getting close to duck weather is what it feels like. But I'm about to go slip into the stand right now, spot we call the pipeline, and hope to whack a doe. Stay tuned.
That 10-point came in before it was even light, so I didn't even get a chance to touch back base here on the camera. But it's 9:05 now, and those two bucks just left. They've been here all morning. I'm freezing my tits off, so I'm going to climb down and go get some coffee and help Tyler track his doe, perhaps, if he hasn't already got on it. Tyler shot a doe, and of course the buck he was after was in front of Robert and Mike Swain. That's how that goes. Alright, just met up with Tyler. He's got that doe this morning, and we're gonna go ahead and get on the track. He's followed the blood a little bit already, and just wanted to get another set of eyes to be safe. Always a good idea. And I think you got a pretty good shot on her.
Yeah, it looks like some good blood on the arrow. Fletching came off, and got some real good blood on the fletching.
It looks like there's some bubbles on the blood too. We're thinking back of the lungs.
Yeah, top third of the lungs probably.
She could have stayed on this wood edge.
Alright, so we tracked her from the feeder. Came back, she followed up the road. Wasn't bleeding too much. And then she cut across the road. Came up in this ditch, and sure enough, we looked up after crossing the ditch, and here she is right here. Good little
man.
Good little shot.
Oh yeah, that's lungs.
Good blood coming out. Looks like she came up over here and
yeah, came from this way.
kicking around right here.
Perfect one to take.
I had shot this one because she was snitching on us in the tree stand, and she did it too many times, so I decided to take her out this morning, and wasn't seeing the bucks we were looking at. So we'll see what happens, and get back in here this afternoon and try to get one of the big 3 bucks I'm after.